Time Turner, just came from Noble Collection. Took about 5 days to get here. We got sort of the receipt. First thing you see is it's on the bottom there. Harry Potter little logo thing. Products inspired by the world of Harry Potter. This document certifies that the enclosed jewelry is an authentic replica from the Warner Brothers Pictures Harry Potter film series. Please enjoy this unique offering from the Noble Collection. Set that to the side. First view of it. There you go. It actually spins, just like in the movie. Sand in the thing. It spins actually quite well compared to another video I saw. The guy's, his barely moved. But I'm sure over time it'll probably get worse, but that's the actual Time Turner. Sorry. And then the case it will go in, because this is not no ordinary piece of jewelry. Some more plastic. Harry Potter, Prisoner of Azkaban. It's gonna be my gift for my girlfriend.